Check out this pre-owned 2011 BMW 335i. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, convenience package, premium package, sport package, keyless entry, heated front seats, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.